This is system test 65 of the Alistairism system. I haven't really made any changes. Again, I've been busy. For system test 66, there's going to be some quite drastic changes to the system. So I thought I'd just make a quick update. So yeah, I'll just crack on. Put it into walk test if I remember how. But both the zones in walk test. So yeah, let's do the furthest detector. Yes, it's just a bit of a mess here. Sorting out everything. You know, next video, I mean, it'll all be cleared up and all that, but yeah. So yeah, still got the bass sounder. There we go. Oop, let's put some light on. Next one. Now I've been having some problems with this not activating, but hang on. Let's loosen it off the. I think that other one's going to go off again. No. I've been having problems with this detector mainly, just endlessly activating. Probably set off again now. No, let's move on to this one then. Yeah, the LED I don't think that works. And that one, you just see. On to the next one. This is a strobe only, by the way, in case you're wondering. Come on. Haven't got all day. Is it on its? Yeah. There we go. Still obviously got the fire choir in there. What I'll do, I'll take it off walk test and I'll boot it. There it is. I'll set off the core point and walk through the whole system. Well, actually.
Fire emergency. Please remain calm. Fire emergency. Please remain calm and evacuate the building.
Reset the core point. It's a pretty good panel, the Chubb Zone Master. Even though I've only had it not really for that long, it's a great panel. Very robust. You know, there we go. That's what I don't like about it. When you reset it, it does that, which chucks you off guard. So yeah, as I say, for next system test, there's going to be some stuff moved around and sorted out. So yeah, that was system test 65. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like if you did and subscribe.